So friends, this is question number 1, chapter number 2, provisions relating to the audit of a cooperative society. It gives an idea about qualifications and appointment of auditor, who can be appointed as auditor, what are the qualifications that the person must possess to be an auditor of the cooperative society, and some basics pertaining to the audit of cooperative society. So firstly, we need to understand that the cooperative societies are established under the Cooperative Societies Act 1912. However, certain states like Maharashtra, Madras, Bengal, they have enacted their own Cooperative Societies Act. Okay, so in Maharashtra we have Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act 1960. In that particular act, there is section 81 which holds the registrar responsible for the audit of the accounts of every society at least, underline the word at least once in each year. Okay, so who is responsible? Registrar is responsible. According to which section? Section 81. Okay, what is registrar responsible for? For audit of the accounts of every society, and duration is at least once in each year. Okay, but since he cannot conduct such audits all by himself, it permits him to get the accounts audited by a person authorized by him in this behalf. Okay, so section 81 wants registrar to audit all the accounts, okay, of each and every society at least once a year. Okay, but it also understands that it won't be possible for the registrar to conduct audit all by himself. So it has passed on some powers, it has given the registrar some powers to appoint auditors for the purpose. Okay, now talking about the auditor, like whom would registrar appoint? All right, so the auditor may be a departmental auditor, okay, which may be appointed by the registrar himself, or he may be an auditor appointed by a society out of the panel of certified auditors who are authorized under the registrar's orders to audit accounts of these societies. So we come across two different areas, okay, from where the auditor may be selected. So person may be either be a departmental auditor appointed by the registrar himself, or he may be part of panel of certified auditors, okay, who are again authorized under the registrar's orders to audit accounts of the society. The second part, the second body, that is the panel of certified auditors, okay, have to be distinguished from local or internal auditors who may be appointed by societies as a matter of internal arrangement. So here we are talking about external auditor, and not about internal audit. So society may have internal audit being conducted by some other auditor, okay, but this person cannot be that internal auditor. Okay, internal audit is something separate, it is done by society on its own, okay, to assess the day-to-day affairs. If such affairs are being carried out, that is for the satisfaction of the members. This panel, they are independent auditors, okay, the panel of certified auditors. Over here the auditors are independent, and they are not those who are carrying out the internal audit function of the society, any society for that matter. So a person who is an internal auditor cannot be an external auditor as well. Basically that's the point. The audit of the books of accounts of society shall be conducted by departmental auditor or by certified auditors appointed by the registrar from time to time on such terms and conditions as he deems fit. So he, according to registrar, whatever terms and conditions he deems fit, he will impose those conditions, and on the basis of those terms and conditions the auditor will carry out the audit work. Okay, audit shall include annual or periodical audit. It has to be annual, at least once in a 12 months period, right? At least once each year. It can be half yearly, it can be quarterly, depending upon the situation and requirement of the situation. It can be continuous or concurrent, and test audit or super audit, and it can also be a re-audit. Okay, now we spoke about certified auditors. I just mentioned that the audit of books of accounts of societies shall be conducted by departmental auditors or by certified auditors appointed by the registrar. So certified auditors includes three things. Okay, three types of auditors. Firstly, a chartered accountant. Okay. Second is a government diploma holder. Okay, so a person who holds a government diploma in cooperative accounts. Or third one, a person who holds a government diploma. Sorry, a person who has served as an auditor in the cooperative department of the state government. So three persons can be certified. First person is a chartered accountant as per the Chartered Accountants Act. Okay. Second person is a government diploma holder in cooperative accounts or in corporation accountancy. And the third person is someone who has served as an auditor in the cooperative department of the state government and whose name has been included by the registrar in the panel of certified auditors. Okay. Now this is something that is published in official gazette every 3 years. After every 3 years there is some revision, some auditors might be going out, some new auditors might be coming in, and that's how it works. Okay. So these three persons, one of them, either of the three things, either of the three persons, okay, CA or a government diploma holder or a person who has served as an auditor already in the cooperative department of the state government, can be appointed by the registrar as certified auditor. Now the main provisions relating to the appointment of auditor are, see, cooperation is a state subject. Okay, what does it mean? It means that the cooperative societies work under the registrar of cooperative societies of each state. Therefore, auditors for these societies are appointed by the registrar of the state. Okay, so how they are appointed, basically we have discussed that earlier. So unlike joint stock company where it is shareholders members who appoint auditors in the AGM every year, in societies that is not the case. Okay, the shareholders or the members of the society do not appoint auditor of the society. Very interesting point. The members do not appoint the auditor. Who appoints the auditor? The registrar. Okay. Second thing is qualification. Now we have already discussed qualification, but we are going a little deeper in this. Okay, so that will give us a better idea. So registrar may appoint any person of the cooperative department as an auditor of the cooperative society. A person who has knowledge of auditing and is well conversant with the Cooperative Societies Act can be appointed as auditor of a cooperative society. Chartered accountants may be appointed as auditors of cooperative society. The audit of the cooperative societies in Maharashtra state is done by departmental auditors and certified auditors. The term certified auditors includes chartered accountant within the meaning of Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a government diploma holder in cooperative accounts or a cooperative diploma or a government diploma in corporation accountancy, or a person who has served as an auditor in cooperative department of government. Okay, again we spoke of the panel which is renewed every 3 years, right? And a very small point over here is audit of books of accounts by certified auditors or departmental auditor is compulsory under Maharashtra State Cooperative Society Act. The accounts of every society must be audited at least once in each year. Okay, so that also we have discussed. So this was regarding provisions which had two sub points. One was appointment and the other was qualification. Thank you.